is Omanhene Yaw, and I want to believe you are good. As we are seated, Asante is also here with me. Asante Pom to say, yes, we hit the ground running. Minority decries 1 Ghana cedi fuel levy as highest ever tax rate. Introduced at first. Minority mounts strong opposition to 1 Ghana per liter fuel levy implementation. Almost I didn't choose virgins. Speaker Babin shares. Yente Babin. Also on those issues or not. He didn't choose virgins.
I was one of those who led the establishment of the Virginity Club. For us to see that as a value. And I was able to organize with the support of the AIDS Commission a beauty contest of virgins up to the national level. At the national level was organized at Paloma. And the young virgins were selected, not by me, by different panels of judges. And we went around the senior high schools establishing virgins clubs as a tool to fight AIDS. There must be deliberate action led by people of integrity, because leadership is very key in these matters. And I recall the lament of our illustrious king, Otumfuo Osei-Tutu II, of how our presidents are always captured by followers.
Okay, and until no kasa say yemwa AIDS commission na HIV is real. Ni ntimi momodin see betuma say abeboa anema ebeba sa yadiboni in every hall. The family of Ofori-Atta petitions Interpol's National Central Bureau and Commission for the Control of Interpol's Red Notice. Krate aye misfeeling. Aye Nipa Bebrifi said, did it really come from the family of Ofori-Atta to Interpol? And Edian Sem and a Krate Atra Eka. Krata no almost the same pa. Almost the Interpol for any day potty. And obey you komu kakra. And you abuse of administrative powers by Office of the Special Prosecutor in the matter of Ofori-Atta. Almost we the family of Mr. Ofori-Atta have chosen to make this public statement due to the actions of the Office of the Special Prosecutor on 2nd June. We also call for the withdrawal of the Interpol Red Notice and have applied to the National Central Bureau and the Commission for the Control of Interpol's files for deletion of the Red Notice. We cite deliberate suppression and manipulation of evidence by the OSP, violation of human rights, example, right to health, disregard to judicial proceedings and denial of the process, breach of administrative justice. The public deserves to know that after the fact of the unlawful declaration of Honorable Ofori-Atta by media briefing as a wanted person and fugitive from justice, it came to light that the OSP may have manipulated evidence to procure an arrest warrant dated 11 February 2025. To date, the OSP has no charge stated against Mr. Ofori-Atta from what is stated on the arrest warrant as using public office for private profit. The arrest warrant was procured under unusual circumstances. The court records are not clear as to how the OSP secured the arrest warrant without a filed affidavit, which is a matter pending in court for which the Interpol office at the Ghana Police Service has been served. Following the unlawful declaration in February, the OSP was taken to the Human Rights Court in the matter of Ofori-Atta versus OSP, primarily for using the media briefing to declare Ofori-Atta wanted, a power not sanctioned by law. This has led to the violation of his human rights, particularly his personal liberty, freedom of movement, and his right to health, all protected by the Constitution and international human rights instruments, which Ghana is a party. The OSP has disregarded the ongoing proceeding in the Human Rights Court of Ghana, in which a ruling is scheduled for 18 June, by contemptuously repeating the declaration of Mr. Ofori-Atta as a wanted person, even though Mr. Ofori-Atta was ready for a video recorded interview while attending trial to allow the OSP to elicit caution statement until he is fit to return to Ghana. It lingers on and on and on. We'll deal with it today. We'll deal with it. Now, Teachers Union threatens strike over delayed book and research allowance. MPP flag bearership race. You want to worry me? Baumia tells Brian. Baumia says, Brian Chapel, I'm Professor Jimmy. I don't know who I am with you. You want to worry me? I see media. Professor have a pal. I will tell you, can I will share. But you are the way. Young cop, I don't say you are here. Want to worry me? Oh, yeah, it's very funny. We are open to talks, not renegotiations. Ghana Registered Nurses and Midwives Association to Health Minister. We almost say we are open to talks. Kratana, yes, sign memorandum of understanding. Yeni abayda da ne sign ya wapene a osi entua ye niema mayeno. Eno ne no trans yaka. Na nyesa isabra ne trans nkas mfufro. The health minister say why you ready so near be kakrata no ansem a enye renegotiation bia. As I speak with you, nurses are still on strike. Near National Labour Commission kai no omanfi omo. They are still on strike. Beba chow Subi MP Menshia South Subi MP by Enra there no be or see there be send a man and a maba am front equatro BC ya anya she also no so obromo accoutrement into the mass set kama ya branding MP e babe chrem kwala no na owie ye no classroom hall ni kwala di nkomo e hye omun crying kama oko schools e wo ho nyina e wo hu ayi Zion fo nom ne amankwa etia nom ne schools na e wo ho nom no JHS no wie kwala ni twamfo ni omani age ahomadi a ye preparatory JHS as oko ba bia bi na yentie nsema woni sentwefo hia woni tu dwatiawa yentie kofi ye bo lawyer
you school to end of the year maybe the parents were very poor, excuse me to say, and that's what one beginning. So it will be one more thing. Never. See, I was in my issue, but never this was not for us.
Okay, enti lawyer Kofi Obri Eboa ananu no nya mfie aduonum ono nso so ede de ba ewie ye na subi ewie ye na menhia south mrahye badwani nana je ba fo wua ono so ko hia no mabunu KO school na wo ho no ne school su ni nyina ono so de market ni che bofra no na yentie de ono so ka che bofra
what is happening. Don't be under a lot of pressure. Right? Be yourself. Treat it like the exams you'll be writing in this. Okay? Treat it as the exams you have been writing in what? This school. Don't be under pressure. And I know that the Lord we have prayed to, the Lord we have a lot of faith in, will come in and make sure you are. Okay? This morning when I was coming, I brought this. It's a message to you. It is to encourage you and to also remind you that I am praying for you.
Saying can't say on it. Kala omo control. So you know mo sha say that be china ho. Ah china. Any you see Ade you go school no last day no near be china ho. Near be boys you what dey wie aka won so hwe. Minim say urade be boa kwala be kan. On konkron wo ye kai ka fo wo ne wasua o. Onye kai ka fo wo empty head. It last hour kwala na mu fangu so. What's the last hour ya na de sua no kra de pa. Sambe na wo ye knows na wo ye calculations ne ade. Minim say mu betwa urade be kam ho am betwa. Na bom well. Azanti Regional President GRNA for Jones. Hello, Jones. Now what to say?
Oh my. Me who here?
Hey, Jones, aluta continua.
Oh my baby. Mumu say you are candle ne you are to force in my.
Jones, patience we wuna mani o Jones.
Nye yo nurse for no so abrabo mu nye ne nti wo mu yare. Ti yesre you are candle to force in. Yesre mo a mumu sa wo my di nti na
nurse for no so yare.
Because and some na question no nye nti o mu ko okra so na
you are candle say money ni I must say you are not ready for renegotiations. Why I didn't know mo kasa?
Ye okasa enu a ye ni hia yo. Enu a ono amaho na o ma fair wages.
That's right.
Any Ghana Director General Ghana Health Service and chief executives of teaching hospitals. Just a Ghana there penny be our hair for the enu a ye no me meeting. Na o mo ba ye na some no me ba na enye de. O mo ba ye no mo say condition of service na ye signed last year. Ye the next year adwuma 1st July 2024. Abepem ne yemfa nya adwuma no. Yensa ntena ho biem. Na enko 2026 ansana omobetimi ahwe atua amayen de aye adwuma. Ebasa so na yesisiri kase pa. Every say health sector nyina unions e wo ho no obi aye ne de awie. Amomo de aye adwuma bi de aye adwuma last year. Ebi so de aye adwuma this year. Enso duru nurse for na midwife for de enso no. Osi yenko nurse ya na yesi de bi nurse ya de bi adabraka. Ebasa enyeyi. Nti eno nti ne ofie no. Nti ewura kan no na se sei wone ewura to force na akogina wo mo so. Nti ye de enyina ye so biem. Omo sign nimre.
Health workers no mo na mo do so ana.
Omo na frame majority leader. Ye ne do so. Ye ne do so. Enso so obi a je ne de. Dabi sikani de nyes ka sikani kitin. Bebre kura nyes ka. Enya bi wo kura yesika ufiri eyeye. Mama mo a typical example. You say nurse for pin, midwife for pin e de adwuma no. Ya na ne etua ka. Koye workshop de beye. Ena baaji tu mu say obema nurse na midwifery cancer ya workshop na ma ye na omo ade sika na ma wo mo enti efiri ekọ ye ntue bem ne ya san awie na wonum sika ye tuaro ma ye sika ye tuane 71 cedis pe enipa ye kotua ma no sa ya aban adwuma a ye friend nurse na midwifery cancer na oman aban di aban ka anko bi do obi ka
Debi eno an say oman reconciliation
enti no sa aban ka che nurse na midwifery cancer say nurse fo we mu midwife fo we mu no mu ni wo mu pin ni enche wo mo na akire mi nya kakra me di amamo we hia esika na ade aye oman nurse ni yare da hospital na wo yare nurse sia no pra ni agine health insurance we na kapara one cedi nurse na nya sika obewu
eno de no man so just anu dodo
aha oman won se so minu ani wi e de bia me birthday no wa chila me eno ye nyu sika e ye free nika se me menya so mfa so na me de me yare a wasa me se tuaka eno se aban me tedi na no kora ka kwa se free na ekoro mu yare a mo de mo hwe wo mo e ka e beba no mo hwe kwan e befa so e betua ma mo eno kora 2026 o metu etumi atua ma wo mo na ye de ya je ne later we was one twere we
na se ti nurse ni kwa wo so a wo ne the patient a ono nya nurse ni no sika e beji nurse ni no patient no abi ni eje no ye be no CSA se sika no ano nso betia
o hwe kora o boka ache no nim awaye nurse ni nti na hwehwe ni mu abom kakra no ma twere nura ne board den pa ma wo no aha
and also the omo so omo fi said the efficacy of the drug no o ben omo nti no obetima tua
mo na o ka ye kese omo ntua da enti we no wo de wa no ka kire konfa no te say na onim obusa ye no mo na te ho obusa chief executives ni medical superintendents ni medical directors na anko munya authority a anko mu be ye me ka last year me ni nua professor Ochirade Mensa satam no wo ho no Mozart ye share ye no there's Mozart bibi wo e se 13-month allowance the 13 months allowance na ye wura Mozart nko wanya tumi a
ko betua
anko betua so woni tumi
ko tua
Minister of Finance man kwa otua wo bedam so ho nkomo no asema ba eno ti no want me
conditions of service no enye ni nyina na esika eye niam bi e be ma mo wan ha mo no matima ye madwuma yie na mo so ma hu se mo so mo ka Ghana fo ho adwuma fo ho ama ahoto aba tiawa etinye sika pa but as sika aba ni benya on pesa beko
dabi eno dia hu ni nan se eye ebuo oman omumuyen sa na me hu no omumuyen o
enti edu hoso dia na ani braba obi muwa na wani abre
asem no titomre bi ahụ se ye tena fie wo ma wo so adwuma wo na wo hinya wo hospital no mo nyai on se free obi anti be adwuma
hospital atapi o edu say minya voice messages bebre hospitals atapi virtually say obi anti me oyare wo fie no no mpara o eno so akoye drug abuse
omaye yempene sa mimi say metiwi metimi ayare me kura no pe me sori na awode me so metimi ayare yo enso so ye nyina yentimi nko e hayen aban no ye kura ode banye pe minister mu a sabi ye maame perpetual Ofori-Atta maame fa akonya mu na baso minia onim se omo be kan se maame perpetual a declare strike and we dwane kwa aburuchire na yen no yenim ne aye na we declare strike na woje ho and we kwa aburuchire enso ni maame no kwa aburuchire de no wokoye ewiase nyina ye ku a hwe nurses so your friend International Council of Nurses ye koto aba foforo yi president foforo ne board of directors foforo minia hwese wo mukọ ye ku ni nyina ko share ne the whole Africa ye yi board member ba ko pe board member ba ko pe ye no ye wura maame ye wura perpetual Ofori-Atta and da Africa na mu a ye de no akọ ke animonyamo a wodi abre Ghana enti oman enso so obedura na manfo oka we declare strike we dwane we say abra nyesa asem ni nyina ne se omumpe nurse fo ye sika kakra bi ewo mu de no ko fa anye sika condition of service no almost sama na yebekwa adwuma
Asiano pay Asiano pay nipa no wako osimusa no
senior nurses nko na say benefit but junior nurses le omo benya nketenkete ti na man kwala no so no
a charge no
charge omo ko adwuma
enkwala no bi nko adwuma o da bi o omo ko no ye another group no a GRNA for no omo nyina o strike na group no ye oh you're from UPBBBB a nursing group I had to send Nat and Nagrat. Debbie, no, Asante, you don't know. They're up to me a 3 crack. Oh, and we are GRN for no. But we are nursing here, my own. The other there be Asante. And Ramin nursing food in Como. There is another group. To send your mammy almost say new career NPP constituency chairman Tina or the Omo Kono. Almost is happening so your NDC need the den. I'm on cost strike no.
Where kunu ye NPP chairman and I was so
Omo leader no
NDC chairman D where's young oh
and no na Asante wo bu huna mane o man hwe no mo de koyama nyo sempe afi na asem na dawa wo se ka no wo mu nka
Makota there's another there omo nurses no Josephine Antomo so no should address omo say ade no omo kopri ni nyina no yes principal yes friend profu principal nurses
omo ye penifo
omo penifo no will benefit more than nketwa no so hu enti ama nketwa no bi kura no odo se omo kotena fie de but omo ni nye hu se ade na ye kwa akopre no yes ye kopri ye nyina ye conditions there but mo penifo no I say yes you do this stage and then you say and then do say what else and obenya sa benefit ti man kwala no bi so omu sugu omo yem say omani nye ho mo so hu eti baby omo ba bedro no
yeti oman mu and doctor forecast last year omo the same thing no
from UPNMG
yes
ejina ho ma de
all the baba me dem UPNMG omo ye another group like GRNA for
last year Ohana Ghana Medical Association forecast omo cross so the same thing omo call so mututua u reverse ade no
and so omo condition see asesa eno na omo no cosign memorandum this year adwuma etina Ghana Registered Nurses Association no say this year omo so de be na haba
na ye kase said your omo ye no I was say Ghana health insurance say ye adwuma because ye adwuma me temamuni doctor whatever and take you the same level na be say dia na say mebo panimu dia wakwa man prevention treatment me dia me kotu health insurance me kwa na come be code multi by event say parane mabadia and I say health insurance ko yi card nko adia and health insurance for so was me say o say panifo ntimba bansem nimu we omo condition say we nko apa na Jones omo nige omo pedia o ma say nka we na kanya die hu bia
kakraka ho
and it's can e bia wanfa on we dey have
o kan
na UPNM ebeba so Joan UPMNG na say ne say
so
kiremu my full meaning why
my the last na make say nka help
I say omo wo ba kuso ho National Association of Registered
yes omo ye be 3
NAM 4
yes
National Association of Registered and Midwives you from NAM NARM
yes
omo and a UPMNG wo and a Ghana Registered Nurses Association GRNA so
okay ne be GRNA
it NAM 4 Union of Professional Union of Professional Nurses and Midwives Ghana UPNMG woman say omo allege on penny no NDC ni kese je omo akoro
omo na ekohia trapata committee whatever
omo kobi
omo nyina
eti no meeting no omo asie bi
eti omo so say
wo mo grafo ne goy
na bodies near 3 Bako say GRD
Omo na do super. They form about 80%.
Omo na do super. Omo de omo so omo koso. And other two bodies.
And nam ne UPMNG for no. As omo ne nam ho.
I say ye de mo nya gbe ne.
Their front are.
I go say na grat ne nat. No mo dia shape. Na concern for yafa ho.
Mama na we na cross nyina. On say no. Last week na nurse for the buy. On say this you so teacher for so dia ba. You for
teacher for threatening strike.
Ena omu we teacher for kwa wi on ha. Nat ne you for no. Tell offense no. Nat any strike for so
university
teachers no association for.
Teachers union. But almost am say delayed book allowance no.
Book and research.
Am I? Oman farmer basa.
That the nyina na safri na mo farmer.
Almost say delayed.
Say na etua na bi omu farmer.
And delay fabra mama to sa. Rola sem nyina.
Dia nat ne na grateful. So mo ya me support omo on any day. Eye omo de bi omo kabata say omo nka ne ye. President John Dramani Mahama kra na nsen aka ho asem kakra say ofi say there should be like a system being in to direct Sadia no. Gradually akwala timi teach na wabu ne head no wabu ne teacher. Yes akwala bi e de say pen akowo teacher ni bi ani ama nani asay
enye indiscipline o man penny John Mama ka ho say me say omo lifted that issue of say mo akwala classroom ena sa akwala timi din semuna no yenyi de de say onko tena fie exams do o metro no it should stop. As a teen dangerous,
I feel
there's no punitive measure against the children. Now, Omo Monkola, okay, tuna to two and cry. Kwala bako etio bo no kunu no.
Yes.
Share Adventist.
Or there etio ko bo na. Em say Ibrahim Mahama mo no support akwa man ko ye operation ya de.
Akwala ye say what the two no ko school ko twen teacher ni bio na sa da no teacher ni na ama.
Oh yes.
Na ni mate no de ko twen. Say na teacher ni so suspending no say dey and o resume into the baba twen teacher ni no.
No be pra no.
Nyame teacher ni no osom no na.
Oh, share Yakodo member source Asante Sesi aho. Educhum and this idea we buy. Jo ma pere jo mama o ka ho asem na ja to ha.
Yes.
Ye titi we.
Yes.
Me see me Mr. Shokros.
What kind no?
Mr. Shokros bo me chia ba bi san say na o ya kira dey o classroom no be lose concentration. Na APS emura mu twetwem na me hwe na what they have banned to mechi.
We feed that. If you focused,
Mr. I got focused. Me papa o me. Asafo.
You said this.
O hono ma na. Me ma me de sika bi ato ho na awi akohwe ayi. Sini wo ayi way has. Any ayi ba ko de say. Ayi Rivoli no me Rex. Ne ka kire me papa. Obo me ma 6 bi o me life. Me rem feeder.
On say what.
Yaw. Me na wasafo na sika da form obi dia. Me la man fa bi da. Me jesi ni hwe.
No ma ja le no.
Oh, teacher for no be so. Some of the teachers went extreme. Obo akwara na onwene ho na ba pa akwara ni. Na de ekofa asa de ne ba kese ye Kiravi. Kiravi call a state experimental and answer at the central. Ekobu teacher ni bi abra wa bo ne ba. Me kai ne ba no call architect kese pa Ghana na Jimmy.
Yes.
But yeah, big issue pa okobo teacher ni ba bi so wa bo ne ba na ade. Those times Kiravi. Then you some get to akra. I'm a teacher's class strike. And no nanche no. And there teacher ni obekwa extreme no. Mo mra wo ho. And to say teacher ni a skit to be on me your sick massa. The loss of anti-mra na wa ha no. Ya hye mra no we o se makai. Was in any one na o se na mentiase no. Was in this only akwara ni da o se makika ni nyina. Was not then any only akwara do se na mentiase no. Teacher ni ya bonia Ghana Education Service was a between so Ghana Medical Association you almost withdraw license me boy Ghana Bar Association a General Legal Council to be suspended will be 3 years for they are lost but to be banding in as a teacher ni ba kwa bo akwala bitino and then you jan kwala nyina ma the impunity with which young girl to be teacher ni ba gina classroom yi di dinner them Ese sene kwasia. How do you expect teacher ni no etunim omo so kwa no omo te omo kwankwa anuase say omo wa classroom kwala ni jimi kwa no omo no okobuna ministry of education will come after you. Get education. What kind of nonsense is this?
They want to teach you na juma so be chewa de
and the pain is and Kwarano spending more hours with the teachers than with us. Obu akwa by 7, 8. Papa no be ba na Kwarano da. Obu a whole week kra wo back kra wani twa no say 5 a.m. now ko weekend no so na mo be di dia omo tra dining table a maami kuta the phone papa kuta the phone akola kuta the phone omo di dia no omo hwe movie no omo hwe ayi na bi hwe TikTok eto omo di bia na obi asori ko. There's no communication. Teacher ni na onya one on one with akora no se my ntwa na ma ena Jimmy kola di Jimmy
we no okay education who asem here no no pay me bo one piece ni mi no abaso
ya ma ya de
and honorable lawyer
obriye bo ani
pense
na je bafo
my idea me use for comment piece so me mo so the same thing
for comment piece so be ye wa ya de pa
set honorable achumampu nua
ono so be ye bi ma ya de
then a host of
kwala no kra hu o mo kra ye nkanya
okunkom hafano southwest
young man no
oh yeah
hafano
southwest
young guy ya na
your friend say dapa
so yi
omo ya de pa lot of them
ya be rituals afi bi eduro MP
no but yeah it's very encouraging
we MP na bibi say wa anye bia no kra ni especially wa transfer pen na nye
so ma for
sa
danka
okay ba o my another
so ba jo say anya hwe wa ye bi da
letter na o de tu dwan me de na me se me da
letter no your time aso ye nkomra omo yes sports wie ya ye be ba na say ye for more time do about 7:13 it's not good ti ye nkomra ye koba Orlando machu abegina ha kutu no
na say akonta nurse for na akro mo